Another day at work. Hi, it's me, Patty the detective. I am the best detective in town. Let's check the news to see if there's any case we can solve. Oh, look at the headline of this news. The stolen necklace. Yay! This sounds like a perfect case. Do you dare to come with me and solve it? Let's go! Here we are. What a mansion! It's huge and very mysterious. Let's just get inside. Oh wow. I get it. The necklace was here, inside that crystal box. But first, let's check at what time it happened. When was the necklace stolen? It was stolen on Saturday at 11 p.m. in the evening, or quite late. And we have to find who is the responsible from the theft. All these are the suspects, family members and neighbors who knew about the existence of the necklace. This is Sam, the son of the millionaire, owner of the house. What was he doing at that time? He told the police that he was quietly reading some history books in the library. He was there from 10 to 11:30. Then he went to sleep. Okay, I write down. Let's see the second suspect, Martha. She is the granddaughter. What was she doing? She was talking to a schoolmate from her room. They were doing an online project from science class. And they finished very late, at 12 p.m.? What a late time to be working on school stuff, right? The third suspect, Laura, the mother. She says that she was stretching her body a little bit on the porch outside the house. She felt very tired because she'd been working the whole afternoon. And Mark and Sam, the neighbors, they were meditating in their living room. They said they didn't move. Okay, now we know a little bit about everyone here. Let's take a closer look at the scene of the robbery. The crystal box is broken, so the thief used an object or a weapon to break it. But what? What did he use? Maybe some object near the showcase? What else? What other clues? Maybe something that a person could take hold and hit, right? So not a super big thing, not a super small thing, and it should be very hard and strong. We'll see.
Hi children! So today we are going to work with the past continuous, and for that we have this beautiful worksheet today with us. So we need to figure out who stole the painting. So to answer this, we are going to look at the pictures in here on the left side, and then we are going to read the answers and see if we can guess who stole the painting. So it says, when the Sagrada Familia picture was stolen, and then some answers. My mom, I think, she was working in her office with her computer. Interesting. Then it says, we were reading some books in our bedrooms. And then my siblings were studying history in the living room. They had an exam the day after. And my dad, he was cutting some grass in the garden. So we need to connect these beautiful images with the answers. Let's see how do we do this. So for the first one, this kid reading some books. So we read the answers, and the one that it's more connected with the answer, it's this one, right? We were reading some books in our bedrooms. Okay, so I'm going to take a color, like for example the green one, and I'm just going to go around the answer like this, making a beautiful circle. Oh nice, how nice. And then I also make a circle around this beautiful image of this kid reading all these books. And now we are going to write the sentence, the same one, here, close to the image. So we write it down. We were reading, because he has a lot of books, reading books where? In our bedroom. Okay, well done. We were reading books in our bedroom. Let's see what's next. So is this woman here with the computer? So if we read the answers, let's see the first one. My mom, I think she was working in her office with her computer. Okay, it really looks that it's this one. The woman with the computer, it's actually mom. So we are going to take another color, like the yellow, for example, and we go around the sentence like that. Wow, this is so beautiful. Okay, we go all around the sentence like that. Perfect. Wow, well done, guys. This is so good. Like that. And now we go around the mom like this to connect the answer with the image. And now we are going to write it down close to the image. So let's see. My mom, my mom, where was she? My mom, I think she was working in her office, with her computer, we can see the computer here, with her computer. Amazing! My mom, I think she was working in her office with her computer. Well done, kids. Okay, we are going to continue. Next one. Okay, someone is cutting the grass here. So if we check the answers, here, my dad, he was cutting some grass in the garden. So let's take another color, like the red, for example. And we go around it. We can do as we want, with shapes, with points, with lines, whatever you like, kids. Everything is welcome. And I really like this red color. So let's do it very nicely. Okay, and now around that, cutting some grass. Perfect. And now we write the answer close to the image. And it says, my dad, he was cutting some grass in the garden. He was cutting some grass. Where? In the garden. Well done. In the garden. In the garden, yes. I love gardens so much, gardening. And also this house is so cool. Okay, guys, we go for the last one. And we have this image of these kids with the history. So they are probably studying history, right? So let's see the answer. My siblings were studying history in the living room. They had an exam the day after. So we take the orange color, but you can take any color that you like. And we go around the answer like that. My siblings were studying history in the living room because they had an exam. Do you like exams? I don't like them so much, but they're important, you know. We have to study some time for them. So my siblings were studying history in the living room. They had an exam the day after. Okay, so let's write it down. Oh, we forgot. Let's make again the circle around the kids and the history. All right. Okay, so now we are going to write it down. My siblings were studying history in the living room. This one is quite long, so let's do it slowly. My siblings were studying history where? In the living room. In the living room. They had an exam the day after. They had an exam where? The day after. The day after. Wow, this looks so beautiful with all these colors and all this text. Okay, we are just going to read all of them. So, the image with the kid with the books. We were reading books in our bedroom. My mom, I think she was working in her office with her computer. My dad, he was cutting some grass in the garden. And the siblings. My siblings were studying history in the living room. They had an exam the day after. Well done, kids! That was such an amazing exercise.